My name is Dr. Steve Wallace. I'm going to be your instructor for Ecore Math 1111 College Algebra semester. The purpose of this video is to just give you a quick orientation to our D2L course and give you some heads up on what you need to do the first week. So once classes start, you can go to our Go View course page, Desire to Learn, Go View, whatever it's called. You'll notice that I'll have announcements here. I'll make new announcements periodically, at least once a week. You can also find those and a sort of log of announcements that I've made in the From Your Instructor message board. So if you miss one, you just need to go back to one that has disappeared, because I will change these. You can go there. The syllabus is right here. You click on there. You need to read all that stuff. Okay. The first thing you need to do in the first week is outlined here. So you want to read the syllabus. You want to go to the Start Here section of the content. If you just work through all that, then you'll do what you have to do. Okay. So click on Welcome. You start right there. Just go through all the stuff that's in here, and then you'll create an introduction. Create an introduction for yourself in the introductions message board, and you'll complete the mandatory attendance quiz. All this stuff has to be done, or you will possibly be counted as a no-show. You have to do those by the end of the first week. Okay. And one thing you should always keep in mind is, you go to resources, go to the calendar, check this calendar every single day, okay, to make sure you're on track. So the first week, you're going to do Start Here content and Lesson 1 content, okay? What that means is you're going to complete all the assignments and content items for that lesson, and you also will try at least one time some of the Newton homework. Newton is the homework delivery system we're using in Ecore, and the way it works is you have to work through the problems and get enough of them right so that the system itself believes you've mastered the necessary course objectives. So it could take you a short amount of time to do homework or a long amount of time to do homework. Every student might be different. Those attendance verification items, the mandatory attendance quiz and the welcome message in the message boards, must be done before this date, okay, or by this date. If you go to the syllabus, you'll see what my office hours are. I am also available. If you click on this and you send me an email, you can send me an email anytime. I will answer emails almost immediately during these times, but very quickly, at least within 24 hours during the week, maybe a little longer on the weekend or a holiday. But I'm pretty quick with those responses. Phone number, I may not be in my office during these times. In fact, I'm not going to be in my office to answer the phone on Wednesdays. But I'm also going to be available more than these times here. And if you want to schedule a time for us to do a face-to-face, via video chat message, then we can do that if that's necessary. Go through the syllabus. It's pretty self-explanatory. There's a lot of information here under what if it's possible to turn in things late or if it's not. There are a lot of things you need to work on in this class. So you need to go into GoView and work a little bit every day to make sure you get everything done. Okay. The first homework, Newton homework, or no, this is not Newton. First thing that's due is the pre-assessment. That is in Newton. Okay, so that's a Newton assignment. Okay, but all your tests are going to be in GoView. Okay, so homework and the pre-assessment are in Newton, and you can get to them through the content. So if you go content, and let's say you're doing lesson 1, when you get done with lesson 1, here at the end, you have links or pages, the pages that send you to the Newton assignment. Okay. What else do you need to know? Oh, the Mindset Learning Project consists of some activities and discussion board assignments. You need to do these learning project activities on time. No, I will not accept any late mindset learning project activities. The discussions that go with them, their due dates are a little freer, but since I am not collecting the data that goes into these MLP activities, I cannot extend the due dates for those for any reason. So make sure you stay on top of those things. Last thing, in discussions, I will be keeping a record of your attendance by either you posting a little something or other, just say here or present or what you're working on in the weekly check-in message forum at least once a week. Or if you are doing a discussion, a graded discussion problem or assignment during that week, that will also count. The weekly check-ins are not graded. The discussions are graded. Okay, so you need to make sure that at least once a week you are posting something to a message board. That way I can count you as being present for that week. The way that it works is the week starts on Sunday at midnight, and then ends the next Saturday at 11:59 p.m. Okay, so if you post something between Sunday and Saturday, then you get counted as being present for that week. So I think that's all I wanted to talk about. And if you have any questions, just send me an email through the GoView email app. And looking forward to meeting you all virtually and otherwise. Bye.